Morning, good afternoon, good evening, friends. I would like to show you how we have fixed the error establishing the database connection. So, the error establishing the database connection is one of the important error which is always happening on the web applications. If your web application is not able to connect to the database properly, then that error will come. If you want more interview questions for incident management or issue management, you can always subscribe the channel, click on bell icon and send me mail on complexsql@gmail.com, which you can see on the screen. So how I have resolved that issue, I would like to showcase you on live. So this is my website complexsql.com, and I was facing that error establishing database connection since long. I would like to showcase you how I got to know that. So I'm opening my Gmail. So in my Gmail you can see like to connect with my personal Gmail where WordPress is configured. Okay. So I'm getting this error from Jetpack. Okay, Jetpack is one of the support tool. Jetpack. Okay, so I was getting the error like this. Your style site is down. So that is the error, and server error is intermittent issue. So when I went to the site, I saw that there is issue with the database connection, and we require to repair the database. So what I have did, so I have just I went to the WP admin of my website. That is, my website is a WordPress website. So I just type wp admin, and I got this screen. And when I click on the repair, it it has repaired all the database. Okay. So after repairing the database, the error went off. So this is about error uh, establishing the database connection. Hope you like this video. There are 4 steps I have performed. First, I have just went to the WP admin. On WP admin, I clicked on the database repair. It has repaired the database. You can see the database has repaired over here. And I went back to the website. And then you can see this message like your SQL Word site is back to online. Okay. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe the channel, click on bell icon. If you want interview questions for incident management, or if you want more examples for like this, please subscribe the channel. Send me mail on complexsql@gmail.com. Thanks for watching this video till end. Cheers.